Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the JLT coolant tank cover in the textured black finish available for the 2011 and newer Challenger. Very simply put, you should be checking this out if you're looking to cover up the ugly, sticking out like a sore thumb coolant tank. Now that reservoir there, of course, has that creamy color, and the liquids inside are typically pink, so it just sticks out like a sore thumb. Now we have that Comp Hemi orange paint here, and that mixed with the black in there looks really good together, and that pink coolant just sticks out, and we gotta cover that thing up. If you think like me, and you think like most guys out there, especially show car owners, and you want that to blend in more with the factory airbox and most aftermarket airboxes, along with the Hemi engine cover, then this is gonna be a great way to go. This is an ABS plastic, so it's impact resistant. It flexes a little bit, but it is definitely high quality. It's something you get with a lot of aftermarket exterior and interior styling parts, so it'll last the lifetime. Now, it's got the textured black finish on top, but it is paintable. If you look at some of our customer submitted photos, you can see people get a little bit creative with it, taking it to a local paint shop of their choice to get it custom designed to maybe match an engine cover or some valve covers or even an intake box if you have those custom painted as well. So get creative if you're a show car owner, and if you're just like me and you want something to cover that up with, this is a great way to go. Now, the nice thing about this is it has the cutout for the oil cap, so you don't have to remove it in order to get the cap off. It's got a couple of cleverly cut out slots for the hoses next to the cap there and at the back side. No modification necessary. It's got those accommodated already built in. You see the little hump there that makes room for that hose at the back end. Now underneath, it has 3 strips of 3M automotive bonding tape on top of some Velcro strips. Now the Velcro is there to make sure that you can take it on and off if you're looking to do like a deep clean and you want to take it off to scrub it off car or something like that. If you ever wanted to remove it just to get a change up, or if you wanted to remove it to paint it later on, you can do so without it being a one and done. You'll pull it off, the Velcro will be on the bottom side or the top side of the coolant tank. You'll have Velcro on the bottom of that, and they'll stick right back on together in the same spot. I'm just gonna recommend cleaning off the top of the coolant tank cover, and if you really wanna get serious with that good 3M bond, I recommend picking up some adhesion promoter. Not included in the kit, but it is useful if you wanna make sure that that's on for the long haul. For the purposes of this video, I'm not gonna be using adhesion promoter. I'm just gonna show you us cleaning that off, peeling and sticking it into place. In order to get it on and off, you do have to remove the cap of the coolant reservoir, and it's a huge caveat here, guys. Just make sure that the engine and the coolant cap are completely cooled off. If you touch that cap and it seems warm to the touch, it's under pressure. Don't take it off. Wait till it's completely cool. With that said, this guy's gonna come in right around 75 bucks. Install, I'm gonna give 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. 5 minutes or less to get this guy installed. It is extremely easy to tackle. I'll show you how it's done. Let's get to it. Tools used in the install include a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle and a clean microfiber or an alcohol wipe. First step here, and arguably one of the most important steps, is cleaning off the top of the coolant tank. You wanna make sure you're getting rid of all dirt and dust, any quick detailer that might be on there that could prohibit a good bond with the 3M tape. So grab a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle and a clean microfiber and clean this guy off. If you don't have this, you can use alcohol wipes. They do just as well. You're just gonna wipe off the entire area here. More importantly, really where the 3M strips are gonna be, but while you're here, might as well just get the whole thing. All right, once you just give that a quick wipe down, I'm gonna start by taking off the cap. Now, you do not wanna do this when your engine is hot or warm. Wait till this is completely cooled down, because this will be under pressure and can cause some serious injuries. So we've got our cool down here, so I'm just gonna loosen up the cap, pop that off and set it aside. From there, on the back of the coolant tank cover, peel off the backing on the 3M. Now you'll notice that this is 3M, but underneath that is Velcro. So if you ever want to remove the coolant tank cover, you can pop it off and the Velcro strips will stay on the tank. That way you can pop it on and off and it keeps that good bond. You're gonna slide this over where that cap was, pull it off to the side, make sure it's hugging all the corners, and push down to make sure that the 3M tape gets a good bond. Once you have that in place, you'll see that it goes around the hose here with that cutout. It makes room for this hose here as well. Grab your lid or your cap, put it back on, and you're good to go. That's gonna wrap up my quick overview and install for the JLT coolant tank cover in the textured black finish, available for the 11 and newer Challenger. Get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.